welcome back, y'all. It's just me, Montreal, and we're here with Mr. Paquette. We're doing a Nerf warrior here, and I'm got these 2 tiny guns, but I'm gonna make it work as the game goes by. So basically, what are we playing, Mr. Paquette?
We haven't decided what we're playing yet.
Exactly. So we gotta come up with a game to play, and then we'll start.
All right.
Hey guys, welcome back. We decided to play capture the flag. So, basically, one person we have to go after them, and we're going like 2 separate teams to kill them. And this is the target. Watch your language. Right now we're choosing teams. We have Jerry and Matthew choosing as captains.
Guns down, ladies. Guns down.
All right, let's start. So,
These are flags?
sure.
How do I keep missing?
Okay,
because
so
you're bad at shooting.
it's me, Jerry, and Amaya over here. So that's one team, and the other team is Matthew.
I'm good at running, so.
And Paquette's dog. So we'll start in a bit. Okay, so we're planting the flag right now, so we can What's wrong with you? For YouTube.
Oh, what?
Yeah. This my little sister of mine.
First of all, I'm older than you.
Okay, you still little fisky.
I'm older than you!
Who cares? Ow!
Sit on the
I'm gonna
bleachers.
beat. Alright, you know what? I can't hit girls on YouTube yet. But
What the you mean, yay?
yeah.
I'm gonna call the police.
Oh, watch out. Anyway, yeah, we're putting our flag somewhere right now so we can play catch the flag, I guess. What the? Okay, I'm gonna get back to you.
Please fall, please fall.
Okay, so we planted our flags. We planted our flags, and now we're gonna start the game in about when?
Now.
We have 5 minutes.
All right, 5 minutes.
Minute and a half.
Minute and a half.
Now here's the rule. Wait, gentlemen.
Hang on, wait. We're gonna meet on a baseball diamond.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll get back to you in a bit. All right, we're gonna start a second.
3, 2, 1.
All right. All right. Start the game. Oh! All right, base. Forget you. Okay, I already got shot. Now, this is some bull crap though. That's not fair. Why me? Oh, I got shot that fast. That's crazy. I don't want to do math in summer. All right.
From here, reaching out, all the way to this next.
Gotcha. 8. Yeah. You got shot?
Yeah.
Oh crap.
I'm just waste my bullets.
18, 19, 20, 21, 22. All right, I'm about to kill some niggas today. Hopefully he'll do the same.
Keep running, Amaya!
30.
Run! Paquette is coming!
Okay, time to get caught.
Amaya, stop worrying about Matthew and his group, worry about Paquette!
Nigga. All right. Ah! Oh no! No! Ah! Oh crap! Yeah, what's up? Huh? Nope. Hold up. How many times you got hit?
I don't know, I got hit in the head like 7 times.
Oh no. Go, race. Yeah. Get me now, Paquette! Ha-ha! Wait, I was kidding! Ow! Dang! Dang, he shot me like 20 times in the same spot. Oh, God.
Maybe you deserve it.
Wait, hold up. Drop character. Alright, boy, yeah, for real. Oh, no. Yeah, so she got kicked in her play. Yeah, she got kicked. She mad. I don't care. Apparently, we gotta restart the game now because more kids want to play. There you are. Now, I'm gonna have to re-get my bullets, and we're gonna start again. Okay, we're restarting the Nerf board right now. Paquette the shark is gonna shoot us. Jerry's our captain. Matthew's the captain. You confuse me, alright? Alright, so. Oh, you are? Oh, I forgot I'm older than him. But, for real. He's on his way. I don't want to die. So on 3 we shoot, right?
Yeah, no.
No! I mean, hey, get my back, get my back. Wait, why am I on the shield? Hold up, no.
No, you're not the shield. You're the...
Alright, Jerry, what you waiting for, bro? I should have brought my sword.
We're being smart. We're dead in the center of the field.
Yeah.
I'm ready for any sort of attack.
Jerry, come on.
And I hate that he's circling us right now, currently.
Oh, he's a shark. I forgot about that.
Flag. I got the flag.
They can alert us.
I'm scared.
It's fine.
No, it's not.
There's nobody after anyone.
You saying right. Okay. I think what he said. I left. Oh, he's coming. Everybody get your guns ready. He finna come. Oh crap, man. What happened? Here. Y'all gonna shoot him? Yeah! Oh! Oh no! No! Ow! Oh! Alright, y'all. I got shot again. I don't know what I'm doing right now. It's a bullet. Matthew. Bullet back there.
I had a full thing.
Alright, anyway. I don't know what's going on. The shark is sitting with the predator, aiming the gun at me.
Actually I did.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm kind of scared now. But I don't know what's going on.
Somewhere in this direction.
Yeah. So I'm going to shade because I'm hot. And here comes the other team.
Are you a journalist now?
I'm a Run! No!
I'm retrieving my bullet.
Come on. How many times you got shot?
I'm going to retrieve my bullet, which is somewhere over here. No, it's somewhere over here.
He said, "Do my trail."
Oh, I did it. Yeah.
Where's my bullet?
Hey, don't give her no more bullets. She just tried to shoot me. I did Matrix on it.
I see it.
It's a bunch right here, bro.
No, I need my bullet.
All right. Thank you. My leg. Hey, I need the gun.
Get the f away from me, Jerry.
Language. Hey.
Bye.
Throw it. Throw it. Oh, why? I'm not in the game.
Dad, you help.
It's like, thank you. Okay, so we won the first game. Now we're gonna move on to our second game. I thought it was only one, but hey, bless you. All right, so you're gonna meet up by the meeting area for each team, and you're gonna restart. See you in a bit. Okay, I decided I'll sit this round out because I'm beat. And I got shot too many times in the spot. I do not want to get shot in again. Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and click that post notification button for more content. And if you want to see more stuff like this, then let me know in the comments below. Thank you and see you next time.